since 2002, became a Hawk flying instructor and Harrier pilot. On the left, he's chased down by Red 8. Looking right, we have Red 7 with the smoke on, followed by Red 9. These four aircraft are going to be closing now at 850 miles an hour. Get your cameras ready as they perform the amazing Jippo Pass. Synchro pair leave their smoke on, they're turning away from us now. Look out to the left now to find Enid. The wings of Enid drop down to form an inverted V shape, and if you look to your right, the low jet is Red 9, who's now going to fly the Goose. The red, white and blue stripe is Red 9, by pilot and operationally flew the Typhoon, the Royal Air Force's new multi-role combat aircraft that you'll see display this afternoon. Enid climbs steeply to our right, look directly to the front to find the Synchro pair. They pull up at 500 miles an hour, 5 times the force of gravity. Pilot with the team, he flew the Hawk and the Harrier before joining the Red Arrows. Ladies and gentlemen, Red 6, 7 and 8 with their heart and spear. Left and right again, the Synchro pair are now going to be coming back towards in front of us in this opposition barrel roll. Cameras ready. Now look to the front where you'll see Enid have been joined by Reds 8 and 9. They pull up into a loop in a 7-ship Vixen formation. Red 1 now twists them through 90 degrees in a quarter clover. Now get your cameras ready. It's the vertical rake. Left and right again now for the Synchro pair. This time Red 6 comes from our right and Red 7 from our left. They're closing at 800 miles an hour. They're going to cross